Okay, tell me the challenge riddle again and then explain to me the two possible creation models. One of matter and one of consciousness.
In the challenge, the riddle of matter and consciousness asks, if the background fields of our universe are space-time gravity and primal matter, then how does a bucket of cosmic mud create and sustain a complex universe of consciousness? How did it create us?
Okay, and the two possible answers to the riddle are?
In the challenge, the two possible creation models are called the four-block model of matter and the genie's bottle model of consciousness.
Okay. What is this four-block creation model of matter?
In the four-block matter creation model, the basis for our universe can be described using only four simple building blocks. The first block is the space-time gravitational vault and the second block is primal matter. We can shrink these two blocks down to a tiny point of nothingness and then explode them as the Big Bang. The third block is the underlying laws such as the tendency to complexity and natural selection. The fourth block is the appearance of consciousness, which arises as a hallucination created by complex chemistry.
Okay, I understand these concepts.
In this matter model, the background fields of the universe are space-time gravity and primal matter, including their associated realms of dark matter and dark energy. These dark realms appear like the term terra nullius, or unknown lands marked upon our ancient maps, because they are not made from the protons and neutrons of our physical universe. It is proposed that these dark expanses will comprise more than 95% of the total universe.
Okay, go on.
Further, it is important to understand in the challenge that in the matter creation model, the term space-time gravity is being used as a generic term to describe all the underlying components of the universe, which can be described as neither consciousness nor awareness.
This is starting to get tricky. Okay, tell me about the second creation model, the genie's bottle model of creation.
The genie's bottle consciousness model, created by the ancient mystics, proposes that within an eternal dimension of pure awareness there arises a vault or genie's bottle of consciousness, which is woven from the three endlessly changing dimensions of consciousness, those of deep sleep, dream and waking, with the reflected light of the ego sense appearing within to create a cone or cosmic riddle. How can the reflected light of the ego find the sun, which lights all, yet cannot be seen?
Wow.
In this consciousness model, the three dimensions appear as octaves of one another, with each octave containing 7 internal steps, so that deep sleep dimension is 7 times as powerful as dream, and dream is 7 times as powerful as waking. Waking dimension and the physical universe will then comprise only 100/49 or 2.040816326.5% of the universe, with the remainder becoming the 97.959183673.5% of the universe known to science as dark matter and dark energy.
You were trying to tell me, in this creation model, that the universe is a structure of consciousness? That our physical universe is only a kind of waking dream, like reflections appearing upon a hidden ocean?
Yes. And that it is also possible to awaken from the clasp of this ego state existing within the 3 dimensions of consciousness. It is possible to merge again with the glass or diamond nature of the genie's bottle, which is eternal awareness itself. This is a state known as diamond mind or the awakening.
So in this creation model, there are only 2 primal aspects to the universe. They are eternal awareness and the changing oceans of consciousness.
Yes. The matter of our waking dimension is simply the densest form of consciousness, and everything we perceive is simply reflections upon the mirrored or glass surface of the genie's bottle.
And according to the $10,000 universe challenge, these 2 creation models, one of matter and one of consciousness, are the only 2 structural possibilities for the source of our universe.
Yes. To collect the $10,000 prize, just be the first person to describe a plausible creation theory which is not simply a variation of one of the 2 creation models presented within the universe challenge. Or, through simple logic, prove to the creator of the challenge that the matter creation model fits the facts for our universe better than the consciousness model. The creator of the challenge is giving you 2 chances to claim the $10,000 prize.
I do not believe this. If this genie's bottle consciousness model is correct, then it solves the problem of dark matter, and it means that the incredible energy causing the expansion of the universe is arising from the octet nature of the 2 surrounding dimensions of dream and deep sleep. It means that this dude, with a pencil and a sheet of paper, and the Mickey Mouse formula of 100 minus 100 divided by 39 has solved the greatest riddle of quantum physics, the nature and value for dark matter. Do you know that they have built an $8 billion particle accelerator under the Swiss Alps trying to understand these concepts? There are going to be some unhappy campers.
Yes. In the book The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the secret of the universe was 42. This surprisingly is not so far from the number 49, a number which arises from the product of the 7 times 7 steps within the primal octaves of the 3 dimensions of deep sleep, dream, and waking.
That is almost amusing.
This octet formula is simple, but it is based upon the creation model used by the ancient mystics when they described the process used by the creation powers of consciousness to manifest our universe. Again, this is why our universe has an 8-fold octave basis to the realms of consciousness, psyche, biology, and matter.
I am going to have to think about this challenge. I hope that there will not be a nervous breakdown coming on. Where can I find more information about this challenge?
Go to the website www.aum-pi.com. You can read a book there called The Universe and the Psyche.